Hello guys, a very good morning everyone. Welcome to the class and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, your favorite live learning platform for GATE preparation, GATE and engineering services preparation. Yes guys, very good morning everyone. And let's quickly confirm the audio video and hope everything is fine.
Services preparation. Yes guys.
Yeah, looks good. Let me refresh it here. All right. Chalo guys, so let's get started then. Very good morning everyone. Okay. Chalo, let everybody join quickly. Let's get started then. Just a moment. Yes dear. All right, come on quickly everybody, share the session and then let's get started. Yeah, we are here. Okay, chaliye. Right, very good morning everyone, and this is the general aptitude rapid fire questions round. Okay, so some interesting important questions as per the level of GATE, and not only GATE, this session can help you for ESC preparation as well. This can help you for ISRO preparation as well. This can help you for NILIT preparation and etc. Any other technical exam where aptitude is going to be part. This is going to help you and give you practice for all of them. Right. Okay, you are in 4th sem electrical. So I suppose you'll be giving 4th sem exam and then you will be entering 3rd year. So yes, you can write down GATE 2024, Ayappa. 3rd year students can write down the GATE examination as of now. See, IISc Bangalore, next year IISc Bangalore is going to conduct the exam. They have not given any notification as of now for GATE. Okay, very soon we can expect the GATE notification, but 99% 3rd years will be allowed only. They are not going to change it. So by GATE 2024, you will be in 3rd semester, somewhere in 6th semester, 3rd year, 6th semester. You can write down the GATE examination, not a problem. Chalo guys, so rapid fire, let's get started. Let's get started quickly. Let's get started with this rapid fire quickly. Okay, and this is a brief intro about me. That's okay. You can go through it later on as well. Okay, so guys, just today, okay, started from 9 a.m. you get a chance to take a next step towards success in GATE, and if you want to avail scholarships, financial assistance, and still want to study under the best faculty team of nation, yes. Okay, you can enroll to BYJU'S exam prep courses. Okay, and then firstly you can write down this national scholarship test. Okay, and you can get a chance up to get 90% scholarship on your GATE preparation fees and ESC preparation fees. Okay, this is on BYJU'S exam prep app. Okay, register now to appear on the test. And also guys, the coming Tuesday, okay, the Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. that is 1st of August, there is a free live interactive workshop by Abhinav Negi sir, MTech, IIT Delhi, more than 11 years of experience, and he is going to guide you towards a master plan to conquer the upcoming GATE 2024 examination, okay, in the remaining 6 months, right? And guys, now, yeah, before I start up, one more update, yes, one more important update. You know, as you know, Sunday Special Learn with One series is live, always for you to make your GATE learning, okay, to GATE learning more interesting, more fun. So, right, you study Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Today, you are going to see one of its beautiful practical application. You study about eddy currents, you study about Faraday's law. You're going to learn today the working of induction cooktop. Okay, induction heating, what induction heating is, okay, and you know how you can cook food without any fire, This is tonight. This is going to come live. Watch it up, interesting small 9 to 10 minutes video tonight at 10 p.m. on the same channel. You can watch how induction cookers, okay, how this induction heating works. Okay, these are all small videos, okay, animated, giving the complete explanation of every particular device, and at 10 p.m. it's going to run live tonight. At 10 p.m. it's going to run live tonight. Okay, So you can watch this on the channel. And now guys, quickly, the first question for the day. A mother is twice, starting with a simple one only. It's a rapid fire, some good, some simple questions. We'll keep a mixture of that. Okay, a mother is twice as old as her son. Okay, so mother is twice as old as her son. So mother's age is M, son's age is S. Okay, 20 years ago, 20 साल पहले, मतलब you have to subtract the age by 20. So 20 years ago, the age of the mother was 10 times the age of the son. So 20 years ago, right, ये तो हो गया present का situation right now. Okay, now 20 years ago, mother would be M minus 20, no doubt. And then the mother was 10 times the age of the son. So 20 years ago, son also will be S minus 20, isn't it? ठीक है? Okay, so now this can give you the M and S. What is the present age of the mother? You want to find the value of M, so replace the S. Okay, M minus 20 will become 10 into S. S can be written as M minus 2, M by 2, then minus 20. So I have M minus 20 is equal to 10 by 2, 5M minus 200. So the value of 4M looks like 180 to me. Is it correct? Yeah. So what is the value of M? Looks like 45. Correct answer is D. The correct answer is D. Okay, let's move ahead. Right? Any separate doubt, Krishnendu, in the Telegram you can post, or in the app you can post. Let's move ahead, guys. Rapid fire, or at the last. Okay, let me complete the rapid fire. I don't want to spoil the momentum. Or at the last we can discuss. Okay. Chaliye, next. A number n when divided by 11. We'll go in rapid fire. And guys, I can give you one suggestion. What you can do is, okay, because I want to make it as a rapid fire quick question session, right? But if you're interested in solving parallelly, you get a feel ki sir ye to aata hai, ye main kar sakta hu. So what you can do, whenever I show the question, you can momentarily pause the video. It is in your hand. Okay. You also keep solving, and once you solve, okay, again start playing the video and match your answer with me. Okay. You can go ahead with this. Okay. You also keep. ठीक है ना? A number n when divided by 11, the remainder is 3. What is the remainder when 2n plus 7? So a number when divided by 11, the remainder is 3. Okay. So number should be of what form? Number should be of the form. Okay. If the remainder was 0, suppose if I tell number divided by n, remainder is 0, that means number is divisible. Number is divisible by 11. Okay. Then it should be 11k. But right now the remainder is 3. Okay, so it can be written as 11k plus 3. Or you can take an example also. 14. Okay, the lowest value of k, if you take 1, it can be 14. 14 when divided by 11, it is 3. Now when 2n plus 7, and it is easy to go with example, right? 2n plus 7 is going to become 35. What is the remainder when 2n plus divided by 11 now? When 35 is divided by 11, 33 is cancelled. 33 is cancelled. What is the extra part? Is 2. That is my remainder. What is the extra part? Is 2, and that is what is my remainder. Clear, everybody? So correct answer is option number C. The very correct answer is option number C. Done? Chalo, correct. Yes, Sagnika. The correct answer is C. Next question. Chalo. Hanji. The next question. 8 men can complete a work in 54 days. Okay, ji. In how many days 6 men and 12 boys complete the same work if one man does as much work as 2 boys? If one man work as much as 2 boys. Very simple question it can be. If you use the concept of work as men into days. Okay. Now in the first story, 8 men can complete the work in 54 days. So actually work is 8 men and 54 days. This much work is to be completed. Okay. But same work की बात चल रही है. In how many days? 6 men and 12 boys. अब देखो. What I can do is 6 men plus 2 boys. Sorry, 12 boys are there. Plus 12 boys. But there is a statement given. One man does as much work as 2 boys. Matlab men are more efficient. What I can do is 6 men plus 12 boys is equivalent to what? Right, because one man can do as much work as 2 boys. So equivalent to 12 boys, how many men will be there? Equivalent to 12 boys, there can be 6 men. Okay, the work that is done by 12 boys can be done by 6 men because men is having the double efficiency. That is what is mentioned here. Right. Yeah, very good evening, Dreamer. Good evening, Swati, Ruby. Right. Now, that means we can take it total as 12 men. And now, work is men into days. How many days? That's what we need to find out. How many days we need to find out, but the same work is there, so we can just equate these two. 8 into 54 is 12 into d. Solving this, what should be the value of d? Okay, this becomes 2/3 and 2/3 will become 36. 2 out of 54 will become 36. Option number B. It should be option number B. Simple. Make it simple. Okay. Need not involve boys because one man is equivalent to 2 boys. Man is more efficient. Okay. So 12 boys equivalent to 6 men. I've converted everything to men and hence it becomes, and hence therefore it becomes simple. Done hai ji? Hence it becomes simple. Done hai. Okay. Let's have a look into the next question, dear. Have a look into the next question. Right. If log 2, all are base 3, log 2 to the base 3, log of 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3, log of 2 power x minus 7 by 2 to the base 3 are in AP, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? They are in AP. Okay, they are in AP. Right. If A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, we know that B is the arithmetic mean of A and C. B is the arithmetic mean of A and C. Right. B is A plus C, or you can write down 2B is equal to A plus C, right? So 2B, what is the central term? 2 log 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3 will be A plus C, that is log of 2 to the base 3 plus log of 2 raised to the power x minus 7 by 2 to the base 3. These property based questions are very much expected from logarithm, guys. Okay, very much expected from logarithm. So chalo, now let's simplify. Now there is a number outside, you can take it inside and it will become the power. So log 2 power x minus 5 whole square. Now log a plus log b can become log of a into b. Can become log of a into b, right? So log of 2 multiplied by 2 power x minus 7 by 2. Okay. Now we can compare the argument because both sides you have log to the base 3, log to the base 3. Okay, so these two, the arguments inside the log should be equal. So I can write down 2 raised to the power x minus 5 ka whole square is equal to twice of 2 raised to the power x minus 7 by 2. यहाँ अगर उसको open कर दे तो twice of 2 raised to the power x minus 7. Okay. Now to simplify it, you can make it initially simple. What you can do is maybe let 2 raised to the power x is equal to y. Let that be some number y. So I have y minus 5 square is equivalent to 2y minus 7. Okay, so y square plus 25 minus 10y is 2y minus 7. So y square, bring all the terms here, minus 12y plus 32 equal to 0. Clearly factorize as y minus 8, y minus 4. Y minus 8, y minus 4 equal to 0. Right. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 2 raised to the power x, right, and that is equal to 4 and 8, right. 2 raised to the power x is 4 and 8, that is 2 square and 2 cube. Okay, so we have two possible values of x. Okay, we have two possible values of x. I'll tell you whether it is 2 or not. Abhi mujhe dikh raha hai x is equal to 2 or 3. If I compare the powers, na x is 2 or 3. Okay. But it is not a MSQ question, and usually aptitude may, see, I'm not telling no, but usually aptitude MCQ questions are expected, not MSQ, but they can come. MSQ aa bhi sakta hai, but whether this is MSQ or not, see, I'm not telling. Acha, MSQ aayega to they will mention it is MSQ or MCQ. Okay, but here you have to check one thing. 2 power x, okay, dekho, this is 2, this is positive. What is 2 power x minus 5 and 2 power x minus 7 by 2? Dekho, 2 power x minus 5, if you take x equal to 2, can become 2 power 2 minus 5 agar x ka value 2 liya. Agar x ka value 2 liya, so there is a problem, right? And that is 4 minus 5 is negative, and inside logarithm you can't put negative argument. Okay, log for negative numbers in the real domain is not defined. Okay, is not defined, right? So what is the answer? X equal to 3 is the answer. X equal to 3. Even if 2 power x minus 5 is negative, 2 power x minus 7 by 2 will be more negative. But x ko agar 3 rakha, so this is 8 minus 5 positive, 8 minus 7 by 2 both will be positive. So correct answer is x equal to 3. There will only be one answer. It is no MSQ. It is only having one answer, and that is x equal to the 3. Got this? That is x equal to 3. Hope that is correct, dear. Hope that is correct. Moving ahead to the next. Moving ahead to the next, right? if a power x exponent, again even if it is exponent based, ultimately it will take you towards log. If a power x is b power 1 by 4, if a power x is b power 1 by 4, okay, then b power y is root c, c power z is cube root of a, then what is x, y, z? What do I need? X, y, z. So first let us think about x, or x kaise aayega? Okay, x is the power here. Okay, so you have to eliminate the exponent by taking the log. The reverse of exponent is the log. Okay, so we'll take log on both the side. Okay, so this is going to become x. Log to what base? यहाँ पे exponent का base है a है. So log of b power 1 by 4 to the base a. If a power x is b power 1 by 4, then x can be written as log of b power 1 by 4 to the base a. Okay, now we can simplify this. This is the hint. Okay, now log, see, power will come outside 1 by 4. Then you have log b to the base a. Log b to the base a can be written as log b upon log a to any common base. Suppose that common base can be 10. Okay, so 1 by 4 log b upon log a. Log b to the base a is log b upon log a. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Similarly, you can find out y and z and multiply and give me some answer quickly. Multiply and give me some answer quickly. Tell me. चलो करते जाओ, make it like rapid fire. Yes, good morning Anuj Hind. चलिए बताइए. So now next I have b raised to the power y is root c, or that is c power half. So what is going to be y? This time I will take log of c power half to the base b. Okay, and that is going to be half log c to the base b, and log c to the base c को लिख देंगे log c upon log b. Then next I have z power c is equal to cube root a. Cube root means a power 1 by 3, right? So z will be equal to log of a power 1 by 3 to what base? To the base c, and this is equal to power come outside log a to the base c, and log a to the base c को लिख देंगे log a is divided by log c. Log a is divided by log c, right? ठीक है, चलो. So then eventually what is the value of x, y, z? If I write down here, it is 1 by 4 log b upon log a into next is 1 by 2 log c upon log b into 1 by 3 log a upon log c. Log c cancelled, log b cancelled, log a cancelled. ये हो गया 1 by 4 to 3, 1 by 24. Option number C. Option number C. Anuj, every Sunday at 11 AM you will get something for practice of aptitude. It is 1 by 24. Done hai? Chalo, let's move ahead. It is a 1 by 24. Moving ahead to the next one. In a kilometer race, A beats B by 40 or by 5 seconds. What is the time taken by A over the course? Good question. Language को समझना पड़ेगा. Right. In a kilometer race, A beats B. That is clear. Okay. But there are two parameters given. दोनों को relate करना पड़ेगा. Right. In a kilometer race. So length of the track where the race would happen is 1 kilometer and A beats B. That definitely means कि if this is the start line and if this is the finish line, right, at the completion A is beating, मतलब A will reach first. अगर मैं A की बात करूं तो A is going to reach the finish line, but B is going to be, when A beats B by 40 meter, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Right, A reaches here but B stops here. मतलब by the time A completed, B is 40 meters behind. B is how much? 40 meters behind. अच्छा, क्योंकि ये मीटर में है तो किलोमीटर को भी मीटर में लिखे. So 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter is the length of the track. 1000 meter is the length of the track. ठीक है जी. Okay. So A beats B by 40 meter. इसका मतलब क्या होता है ये समझ लीजिए कि whenever A completes, B is 40 meters behind. Or A beats B by 5 seconds. That is second criteria given. Okay. That means when A finishes, okay, for B to finish, A ने पहले फिनिश किया, but for B to finish, B needs 5 more seconds. B needs 5 more seconds. Right? तो अगर B की स्पीड की बात करें, that right? If B had to complete the race, okay, it needs 5 more seconds and it is how much behind? It is 40 meters behind. That means in 5 seconds it can travel 40 meters. So in 1 second how much it can travel? Definitely 8 meter. So speed kitna ho gaya? Speed, let us write down in meter per second. The speed of B is 8 meter per second. What is the time taken by A over the course? Okay, ये तो B की स्पीड निकली. How to calculate A now? A speed. A का स्पीड नहीं निकालेंगे, but what I can do is, okay, what is the time taken by A over the course? Over the course means, okay, to reach the finish line, right? Simple argument. Over the course means to reach the finish line, right, is equal to, now I don't know the speed of A, but I know the speed of B. The time in which A reaches the finish line, in the same time B will reach 40 meters short. 40 meters short means 960 meter. So this should be equal to the time taken by, B, right, to travel 960 meter. And time is distance divided by speed. Okay, distance divided by speed. B का speed तो पता है ना, that is 8 meter per second. 960 by 8. Okay, 112 से cancel what? 120. This is 120. What? 120 seconds. And 120 seconds is nothing but 2 minutes. It's a good question, dear. देखो कभी कभी यही होता है एप्टीट्यूड में. There are some questions which look very very big comprehension type, but their solution is one line. Some questions are one liner, but the concept and logic is good. एप्टीट्यूड में concept and logic is good, right? ठीक है. If you're currently in diploma only movie, then you can't. If you have converted to engineering, okay, then yes. ठीक है जी, चलो बढ़िया. Let's keep moving ahead. And guys, if you're enjoying these rapid fire questions, put down your attendance by hitting the like button. Okay, by hitting the like button. Okay, so that we know how responsive, how attentive you are, and that's what is going to be a representation of your attendance, isn't it? That is what is just going to be a representation of your attendance. ठीक है जी, चलिए, डन है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? What is the sum of all 3-digit numbers that leave a remainder of 2 when divided by 3? Good question है ये भी. Okay. What is the sum of all 3-digit numbers that leave a remainder of 2? Okay, that leave a remainder of 2. And we need all 3-digit numbers. What is the first 3-digit number? What is the first 3-digit number is 100. When you divide by 3, okay, 99 is divisible by 3, remainder 1. मुझे 1 नहीं चाहिए. I don't want the remainder 1. Okay, I want those numbers which leave a remainder of 2. So of course, when you take the next 101 divide by 3, 99 is divisible by 3, 99 plus 2 है ये, so extra 2 will be remainder. Now, this is only one such 3-digit number. What is the sum of all 3-digit numbers? What is the sum of all such 3-digit numbers? That is 101. Right, sum निकालना है यहाँ पे. That is 101 plus next would be definitely 104. Right, because I am dividing by 3, the result will repeat after every 3. Right, देखो next क्या होगा? 102. 102 is again divisible by 3. Every third number is divisible by 3 ना. Okay, then 102 के बाद 103, remainder 1. Okay, then 104. So just keep on adding 3. Okay, then 107, then 110. But sir ऐसे कब तक करेंगे? Okay, so just try to figure out what is going to be the last such number. What is going to be the last such number? What is the last such number? Okay, last 3-digit number. Last 3-digit number 9999. ये तो divisible है. 999 is divisible by 3. Okay, when you take 1 before 998, see 996 is divisible by 3. Right, ये भी cancel, ये भी cancel, ये भी cancel. Yes, 996 is divisible by 3. 997 remainder 1, 998 remainder 2. Okay, so last such number will be 998. And how to calculate the sum? Not manually. And don't think कि calculator से करेंगे, waste time. What is this? This clearly makes a series. This clearly makes a series, and that is your arithmetic progression. This clearly makes a series, and that is your arithmetic progression. Okay, with the common difference of 3. There is an arithmetic progression with the first term is equal to 101, common difference 3, and the last term is equal to 998. Acha, what is the formula for last term? last term is 998 and last term is given by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, right? That is 998 is equal to first term. What is the first term? 101 plus n minus 1 into the common difference. So yahan se you will get, sorry, this is 998. From here you will get the number of terms as well, right? 3 times n minus 1, ye kitna hua? Minus 100 and 101. So this becomes 897, right? So what is the value of n? What is the value of n? This becomes how much? 2 and then 7. Ye divisible nahi hoga kya? Nahi, this is divisible only, sorry, yeah. Again coming back, this is 2 and 7 and 7. Okay, this is 277 plus 1, 278. N is equal to 278. So how many terms you have? 278. Okay, now what is the sum up to n terms? What is the sum up to n terms? Okay, so there are two formulas, n by 2, a plus an. Okay, first and the last term. Here I directly know the last term, or it is also equal to, if you put down the formula for an, 2a plus n minus 1 into d whole multiplied by n by 2. So यहाँ पे क्या use कर लेंगे? Okay, here directly I have number of terms known to me. Number of terms आ गया 278, right? Divide by 2. First term 101. Last term is 998. Last term, if I am not wrong, yes, it is 998. Chalo, do this calculation quickly. Okay, let's do this calculation quickly. अच्छा ये भी error हुआ है, sorry. This is equal to 299. Correct, guys. This is 299. Okay. Pushpak Jyoti. Very soon, within a week's time, you're going to get that update. Okay. So ये 299 है. Sorry. The number of terms. 299. Sorry. 299 plus 1. This is 300. ठीक है. So 300 divided by 2. Okay, just be watchful with the calculation and then you have the sum of, so 164,850, correct? 164,850. नहीं, n का वैल्यू एक बार फिर से टैली करो. Is there any problem with the calculation? नहीं 300 ही. n minus 1 is 299 prince. Okay. And multiplied by, yeah, 164,850, correct है. 164,850. 164,850. That is option number B. Well, option number B. 164,850. Done है जी. ठीक है. Yes, Punita. 300. That is n is 300. That was not 277, that was 299. Small calculation error. ठीक है, 164,850. Moving ahead to the next question. Okay, but a decent question because here you have to think about the numbers as well, leaving a remainder of 2 and then calculate the sum of all of them. So some AP concept also being applied. Okay, now next question on your screen. This is again about numbers, but this one is on counting. Permutation or counting, you can say. Basic counting se kar sakte hain. Okay, how many 3-digit numbers exist which have exactly one of the digits as 7? Okay, which has exactly one of the digits as 7. Exactly 8. 7 होना चाहिए, confirm, but exactly at one position. मतलब 7 cannot repeat. Any other number may repeat, but 7 digit cannot repeat. And it should be a 3-digit number. It could be a 3-digit number. Okay, exactly one digit should be 7. So there 7 cannot repeat. Okay, so exactly one of the digit could be 7. I'll give you a hint. So maybe the number starts with 7. Okay, and then dash dash, but 7 should not repeat here. Okay, next case maybe 7 comes at the center, and third case maybe 7 comes at the last. Maybe the 7 comes at the last. And Hanji. So this is simple. A decent question of counting. A decent question of the counting. Come on, let's do it up. चलते हैं. So how many terms will be seen here? How many terms will be seen here? Tell me. See, these two positions, how many digits can come? There are total 10 decimal digits, out of which 7 cannot come. Okay, so here there will be 9 choices. Here also there will be 9 choices, and here repetition is allowed except 7. 7 to le hi nahi rahe, but it can be 1 1, right? It can be 3 3, or it can be different as well, like 3 6. Only thing is 7 cannot come up here. 7 cannot come up here, right? So that is why I have 9 choices. Out of 10 digits, 7 cannot come. So 9 and 9, 9 into 9. Next boliye. Now next, is it again 9 into 9? Is it again 9 into 9? Tell me. Is it again 9 into 9? Right? How many choices here? 7 nahi aa sakta. There is one more thing which cannot come up here, because it is the first digit, starting digit, and it cannot be 0, na? It is the starting digit. It cannot be 0. It cannot be 0. Why? Because if you start with 0, it is no longer a 3-digit number. It becomes a 2-digit number. It is no longer 3-digit. It is 2-digit number. Okay. So how many choices here? 8. How many choices here? 9. Okay. Sir, why it is 8? Why it is 8? Excluding 0. First digit cannot be 0. Why this was 9? Because that is excluding 7. ये 9 क्यों आया? Excluding 7. Now 7 and 0 both excluded, that is why 8. And similarly, dear, third पे भी, similarly on to third also, because it is the first position, 100th position, that cannot take 0. Okay, and here again 9 choices will be there. So see, total कितना हुआ? 9 9s are 81, 8 9s are 72, plus again 72, right? So 140, and then this takes to 220, 4 plus 1 5, 225. 225, that is option number A. 225, option number A. Yes, correct, Prince, correct answer. Okay, yeah, it's 225. A decent question based on counting. ध्यान रखना है, first place of a number cannot be 0, otherwise it is not a 3-digit number. It becomes a 2-digit number. ठीक है ना? अगर आपने नंबर लिखा 0722, it is just 72. It is just 72. ठीक है, तो just be watchful on that. Next one, G. What is the next question? A basic series, alphabet series question. A fundamental alphabet series question. Come on, everybody. Right. Look into this. Observe the alphabets and you will be able to find the answer. Observe the alphabets and you will be able to find the answer. R, Q, P, O, N, M, dash, I, H, G, F, E, D. Observe these alphabets. बहुत easily आएगा ये. See, whether you read it from the forward direction or better if you read from backward to D, E, F, G, H, I. It's connected, yaar. So G, H, I. So J, K, L. Then let's see whether it is continued. Yes, M, N, O. O, P, then Q, then R. So from that side it was JKL. Actual answer when you read from the forward direction, LKJ. It is option number C. It is the option number C, LKJ. LKJ. Done है जी. LKJ. Done है. Next one. C. Yes, correct answer, C. Correct, Swati, Ayush, Anuj, Believer. C is the very correct answer. Next question for you guys. Here it is. A decent question based on seating arrangement. Such questions can be 2 markers in gate. The previous one types are 1 marker gate category. This suits like a 2 marker gate category. Okay, and that too, it's a circular seating arrangement. Triangular table hai. Although triangle will also be closed. Okay, so six friends, O, P, Q, R, S, T are sitting around a triangular table facing inside the center. Everybody will be facing here so that they can discuss and they can have conference or they can have food, whatever they are sitting for. They'll be facing to the center, facing each other. Okay. 3 of them are sitting at the middle of the side. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 positions, and other 3 are sitting at the corners. That is how 6 people will be arranged here. Okay. So these are the 6 positions. Okay. Now start solving letter by letter. Okay. Anuj, एक arrangement रखोगे. And what is the point of circular arrangement or any closed arrangement? There is no beginning, no ending. So whatever the first statement you get, okay, You can decide your own beginning by that first statement. कोई भी अपनी तरफ से, maybe you can begin with this, maybe you can begin with this position, anything. There is no beginning or ending to a circle or to a closed figure. So you can define your beginning. कोई भी एक पोजीशन को beginning position आप अपने मन से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. हाँ जी, आ जाइए. 3 of them are sitting at the middle of the side, other 3 are sitting at the corner of the table, right? ठीक है. Now up the first statement, guys, one by one, statement by statement. P sits at one of the corner, okay, and is third to the left of O. Very very important, third to the left of O. इस statement से start करेंगे, right? So it is at third to the left of O. So मैंने बोला ना, I can define my own defining. अच्छा, if P is at the corner, I don't know which corner, but it is to the third to the left of O. Third to the left मतलब O should be at the center. Okay, O should be at the center. ठीक है, क्योंकि if P is at the corner, first person will be at the middle, second will again be corner, third will be at the center. So O will be at the center. So O is at one of the center. I choose this one. You can choose this as well. No problem. You can choose your beginning initially, right? And P sits at one of the corner, third to the left of O. Everybody is facing center. Everybody is facing center. So what is left? Okay, 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पे कौन आएगा? P. P is third to the left of O. Now P is third to the left of O. O, who is fourth to the right of Q? One more thing I got. O is fourth to the right of Q. This guy is fourth to the right of Q. Right? So Q can come here because, sorry, ये तो left हो जाएगा. Yeah, Q can come here because right जाएंगे Q का तो 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody? Fourth to the right of Q. तो Q कहाँ face कर रहा है? Q is facing center. That is why this is the right side. So first, second, third, fourth. O is fourth to the right of Q. Very well connected, right? So O next state में ये आया fourth to the right of Q. This is done. Now next, only one person sits between P and R. Only one person sits between P and R. Okay, so okay, R should be second position, right? So there are two possibilities. Maybe R coming here or R coming here. There are two options, na? Okay. There is only one person between P and R, so these are the two possibilities for R. But S is second to the right of R. S is second to the right of R. If this is R, right, second to the right P हो गया. So this cannot be R. This cannot be R. So only this is the position for R, and S is second to the right. ये चला first, ये चला second, ये आ गया S. Who is the only fellow left? Only fellow left is T. The only fellow left is equal to T. The only fellow left is equal to T. ठीक है, right? चलिए, who sits? Now question is, who sits second to the left of T? Who sits second to the left of T? ये T है, right? First left, क्योंकि T is facing this way, right? First left and second left. Okay, Q. The answer is D. Answer is D. Arranged. Correct. Yes, Swati and Ayush and Selvam. Correct answer. It is D. It is D. Correct answer is D. That's it. Done है जी. It is equal to D. Let's be ready for next question then. Here it is. The next question. Here it is. A right triangle with sides 3, 4 and 5 is rotated at the side of 3 cm to form a cone. What is the volume of the cone so formed? What is the volume of the cone so formed? A right triangle. Simple है ये. Simple. Now, this is a basic mensuration question, but such questions also comes under the category of, such questions actually come under the category of spatial aptitude. Okay. When a particular figure converted, you know, translated into another figure. देखो. Oh, sorry. So there is a right angle triangle. Okay. With the sides 3, 4, 5 and rotated about the side of 3 cm. It is rotated about the side of 3. ये 3 है, ये 4 है, ये hypotenuse 5 हो जाएगा. And it is rotated about this side. To form what? Automatically it will be a cone if you rotate this. Okay, if you rotate this, one complete rotation, this is going to become the base. This is going to become the circle, the base of the cone. Right? This is going to be converted to the base of the cone, and a cone of this kind will be emerging here. A cone of this particular kind will be emerging here, right? And what is the radius of revolution? Radius of the rotation? the radius of rotation is 3, this is 4, slant height is equal to 5. Okay, so when this cone is formed, it has the height equal to the vertical side, that is 4, and it has the radius of the base which is equal to 3. Very simple question. Question पूछा क्या है? What is the volume of the cone so formed? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi 3 square into h, which is equal to 4. 3 cancel, 3 4s are 12. Answer is 12 pi, dear. The answer is equal to 12 pi, option number A. The correct answer is 12 pi, that is the option number A. Done है? चलो. No, radius, it will be the radius, Prince. It will be the radius. इसके about rotation होगा ना? Okay, so this is the center and this goes up to circumference. The distance from center to circumference will be 3, and that is what is the radius. That is what is the radius. That is what is the radius. Done hai ji? Chalo. So correct answer is A, 12 pi. Next one. Yeah, a decent question on geometry. This is a proper geometry question. In the following figure, if angle TUR is 130, find angle QPS plus PQR plus PST. A decent question of geometry. चलिए जी. ठीक है. And guys, if you are enjoying the questions, if you are able to solve, if you are able to understand, do not forget to like the session. Put your attendance by pressing the like button. Okay. That shows your attentiveness, that shows your support, that shows your interest towards these sessions, so that I can decide more and more what type of sessions you need. What type of sessions you need. Chaliye, boliye. What is one angle given? Angle TUR is 130 degree. Angle TUR is 130 degree. That means this particular angle, this is 130 degree. Acha. Every straight line makes a 180 degree angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, so these two are supplementary angle bolenge inko. If this is 130, ye to given hai, automatically this becomes 50, and here also 180 complete hoga, so this should be 50. Yeah, you can also say vertically opposite angles. Okay, so ye 50 hoga. Now what I need is, dear, what I need, wo bhi highlight kar lete hain. I need the sum of the angle QPS. Oh, where is QPS? QPS, ये first angle है, right? Let's say this is θ1 plus PQR. PQR, ये रहा. Suppose this is θ2, and third is PST, right? PST. This is θ3. This is θ3. Okay, this is θ3. Acha, now these two is required. Question is what is the value of θ1 plus θ2 plus θ3? That is the question. That is the question. पहले question को clear कर दिया. And let me also assume these two angles. Suppose this is θ4 and this is θ5. I don't need them, but इनको use करेंगे तो शायद थोड़ा काम बन जाएगा. ठीक है? Why? Because θ5 is exterior angle of this triangle and of this triangle, and any exterior angle, इस triangle पे focus करेंगे. Any exterior angle, right, is equal to sum of other two interior angle. Is equal to sum of other two interior angle, right? So θ5 की अगर बात करेंगे, so that is going to be 50 plus θ3. Okay, that is going to be 50 plus θ3. This one. Why? Because this is known as exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of other two interior angle. इस angle को छोड़ के. Sum of other two interior angle. Similarly, right? Similarly, if this is θ3, तो θ4 भी हो जाएगा ना? θ4 is also exterior angle, sum of other two interior angle, and this is 50 plus θ2. ठीक है? Now, sum of angles of quadrilateral. Okay, now you can take a quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? Right, PTUR. PTUR. And sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So inside this quadrilateral, okay, the θ1 angle plus θ4 angle plus next आएगा 130 degree, which is given value, plus next आएगा θ5. This is total 360 degree. right? So that means now I'm close. Theta 1 plus, what is theta 4? 50 plus theta 2, right? Plus theta 5, 50 plus theta 3 is equal to 360 minus 130 कर दिया तो already that is 230. 50 50 और subtract हो जाएगा. So what is the answer then? What is the answer then? It's almost done. It is almost done. इसको यहाँ लिख देता हूँ मैं. So I am now able to say what is theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. That is what is the question. Huh? So 50 50 go and subtract on the other side. 230 minus 100. 130 degree is the answer. degree is the answer. A decent question of geometry. A decent question of geometry. 130 degree, option number C. Right, correct Ayush and Swati. Okay, Anuj and Jyoti, recheck it once. Yeah, believer, correct answer. 130 degree, option number C is the very correct answer. Okay, yes Anuj, now correct. 130 degree is the correct answer. और ये expected है. These are 2 marker expected question, playing with the angles. Okay, the angles and properties of triangles, quadrilaterals, etc. Okay, next one, simple, again spatial aptitude category. Observation. How many triangles are there in the given figure? How many triangles are there in the given figure? How many triangles are there in the given figure? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Okay, there are some which are directly seen. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Right, ये तो 4 हो गए. ठीक है, what are these for? Better I'll if I trace अपना 1 2 3, ये तो 4 दिख ही रहा है. All possible triangles, big or small doesn't matter. Then these right angle triangle, how many such right angle triangle? 1 and इसका opposite 2. Okay, not only these two, I can also take it like this ना. इस टाइप से भी ले सकते हैं. So you can break it along any diagonal. Okay, this particular rectangle is broken into 2 different triangles. ये हो गया next to. This is the next to dear. ठीक है, ये भी हो गया. Next tell me. Next tell me. What else? 2 4 4 8 8 तो हो गया है, right? Definitely this inner triangle ना, this triangle ये already count हो गया है, but this is broken into 2 smaller triangles, 1 each, right? So अगर हम इसको consider करें, this one, this is 2, yet 2 more. This is 2 more. Tell me anything else. Only triangles. No rectangles or quadrilateral details. Only triangles. So it's gonna be how much? It's gonna be 10. Tell me anything else. Tell me anything else. Right. Yeah, here most of you are coming up with C only. Yes, correct answer. Ayush, Anuj, Rahil, Girish, Swati, Prince. Yes dear, correct answer as of now. Moving ahead to the next. Moving ahead to the next. ये simple था. All right. A basic numerical reasoning question. Venn diagram बोल सकते हैं इसको. There were 200 guests at a party and only 2 types of beverages were being served at the party. ठीक है. And the beverages were tea and coffee. 60 guests liked only tea. 88 liked only coffee. ठीक है. There are 200 total. Okay. 60 are tea lovers purely. 88 are purely coffee lovers. Which one of the following is the number of guests who liked none of tea and coffee or both of tea and coffee? Simple question है, बहुत simple question है ये. This is really simple one. Really simple. A basic Venn diagram if you draw, you are able to answer it. You are able to answer it. Because my sample space is of 200 people. Okay, now there are only 2 types of beverages. So there will be a type of persons who like tea. There will be types of persons who like coffee. There will be types of persons who like both tea and coffee. ठीक है, who like both tea and coffee. Which one of the following is the number of guests who like none of tea? Right, चलो इसको मैं separate रख देता हूँ नेमिंग को. Suppose tea and coffee. Now there will be some people sitting outside. Suppose that is W. या ठीक है, इसको X बोल देते हैं. There will be some people who like only tea. Only tea means 60. There will be some people who like only coffee. That is 88. And there is some people Y. There is some people Y who like both tea and coffee. Question में क्या पूछा है? Question में क्या पूछा है? Which of the following is the number of guests who like none of tea and coffee? None of tea and coffee means X, or both of tea and coffee, or both of tea and coffee. Suppose that is Y. Both of tea and coffee. Suppose that is Y. The question is asking you data for both. What is X plus Y? That is the question. Okay, but very simple. Okay, the sum of all is 200. x plus y plus 60 plus 88 is 200. So from here, what is x plus y? Right, so this becomes how much? 148. 200 से subtract करेंगे तो 52. The answer should be 52. B. Correct answer is 52. Done hai. Next question, dear. Based on a bar graph. Again, numerical reasoning, or you can call it as data interpretation as well. Study the following information carefully to answer the given questions. Study the information carefully to answer the given question. The following bar graph represents the sales, that is number of cars for 5 years of two different cars X and Y. Take care of two different cars X and Y. Blue one is sales of X, orange one is sales of Y. Okay, launched by an Indian company in 2015. Okay, for how many of the given years was the sale of car X and Y combined less than that of the previous year? It's analysis, data analysis, simple question. Okay. क्या बोला है? For how many of the years the sale of X and Y combined is less than that of the previous year? Very basic analysis it is. It is going to be a very basic analysis. Okay, the combined sale is less than previous. Okay, ये तो count करना ही नहीं है. ठीक है, ये तो करना ही नहीं है. Okay, because there is no previous comparison, so you have to start counting from here. Okay, but yeah, if I have to compare, इसको ultimately add तो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो how much is this total? How much is this total? So this becomes 900 and 700. This is 1600, right? 9 plus 7, correct? Right. How much is this? 900 plus 600. Okay, that is 1500. तो ये तो less हो ही गया, right? 720 plus 750, 1470. 800 plus 820. यहाँ पे growth दिखा 1620, right? 880 plus 980, that is 1780. That is 1780. Now, for how many years the sale of car X and Y is less than that of the previous year? Right, this is less. अब यहाँ पे लिखते जाते हैं, yes, this is less than previous. Previous 16 था, we have done only 1500 sale. Next year also we have done less sale. Okay, तो जहाँ पे degrowth हुआ, जहाँ पे downfall हुआ, वो देखना है. This is also less. Right, now 1470 to 1620 there is a growth. 1620 to 1780 there is a growth. Right, okay, so for how many years it is less? It is for two particular years. Right, for how many years it is less? It is for two particular years. And what are those 2 years? 2016, 2017. These 2 years, initially there was a company, there was car launched. For the first 3 years, the growth was not seen. Ye first ko to chhod do, next 2 years it was degrowth, and then it started picking up the numbers, and the company went towards the growth side. Basic analysis question, and that is what DI always will be. DI or numerical reasoning is always focused on data analysis part rather than, typical calculation. Mostly simple data analysis, simple calculations, or sometimes calculation can be percentage or ratio form, but mostly simple. It's all about reading the correct set of data and understanding what the question is demanding from you. That is what DI will always demand from you. Okay. Chalo. So dear. Yeah, I think we are done. So guys, whatever questions we have discussed, I will share you all the questions. Yeah, we are done. 1 hour is done, and we are done with around 15-16 rapid fire questions, but definitely matching up with the level of GATE and other competitive exams. Good questions, you can say. 2 or 3 were very simple also, but that's okay. It's always a mixture, but you've got some good questions really today, especially that seating arrangement or the number based question, remainder mixed with arithmetic progression, some fundamental geometry, good questions, good in the sense of GATE level, definitely. So guys, whatever questions I have discussed, I'll share you the PDF in my Telegram group, but that is going to be password protected. That means whoever is watching the session, okay, maybe now, maybe later, but whoever has watched the session, okay, will be getting the password, and this is the password, rapid. Okay, it's going to be rapid. I'll share you the PDF in my Telegram group. Hope you are connected in my Telegram group. If not, I'll share you the link of Telegram as well, so that you are all connected. Here is the link of Telegram. You can join in this directly. Okay, you can join this Telegram. You'll get the PDF and all session updates. Yes, guys, that's what we say. Stay subscribed, and definitely right now every Sunday we are bringing you some practice session of aptitude, sometimes topic wise, sometimes miscellaneous questions. Okay, sometimes sample question directly, like in one of the Sunday you saw directly 10 questions as per the pattern of gate, 5 1 mark, 5 2 marks. Okay, last Sunday I brought you a T20. That was simple question, quick question, sometimes good question session. So every Sunday you're going to get something, and other than that, regularly technical sessions you are getting very interesting learn with fun sessions. The Sunday special entity, right? Again, there is a video that is coming tonight at 10 p.m. That is the working of induction cooktop, how induction heating works, right? Based on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and the concept of eddy currents, right? These are all small videos, okay, made with animation, the complete understanding of this process. And with the idea is in this small 8 to 10 minutes video, you get your interest aroused. Okay, what we learn in books, and this is how it works in the real life. Okay, so you can watch this video tonight. Stay subscribed so that you don't miss any of such sessions important for you, because if you are subscribed, you'll regularly get the updates. And once again, guys, if you liked today's session and if you found it interesting, do not put your attendance, and to put the attendance, you just have to do one thing: hit the like button. And that's it from my side. See you in another session, right? See you in another session, and you can watch this tonight 10 p.m. You can watch this tonight 10 p.m. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care of yourself.